Hi everybody, Amy Thompson here with the Luchek Group at Keller Williams Client's Choice, bringing you a new home listing. This property is located at 223 Tyler Street in Pueblo, Colorado. This property features 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and a 3-car attached garage. It sits on a gorgeous quarter-acre lot, plenty of room for tons of improvements. You've got 2 separate driveways, one in the front of the house and one on the side of the house that give you plenty of parking space. You also have a built-in basketball court for your enjoyment. Within minutes of this neighborhood, you have the beautiful Rawlings Library, as well as City Park and downtown Pueblo. You are also just minutes away from I-25, giving you easy access to the I-25 corridor. I can't wait to show you inside. Let's go take a look. When you walk in, you immediately walk into the family room. This room has some great features, such as the wood fireplace with its brick surround and mantle. You also have a tiered ceiling, as well as a built-in for storage. One of my favorite things about this home is that all of the living is on the main level. You have 2 bedrooms right off of this living room, as well as the bathroom. It has some updated features, such as the vanity and the shower tile surround. Also just off the living room is the kitchen. You have tons of cabinet space in this kitchen, as well as a built-in pantry and built-in spice rack. You'll also notice the stainless steel appliances and the deep farmhouse style kitchen. Right behind me is a built-in eat-in kitchen area with a dining room table set that's built for this space. Just off the kitchen, you have an enclosed sunroom space that can serve a multitude of purposes. From this sunroom, you also have access to the backyard, which is a great space ready to be made your own. Also just off the kitchen is the access to the 3-car attached garage. In the lower level of the home, you have the laundry facilities, as well as additional space that could be used as flex space, such as storage or a workout area or craft area. This space is partially finished, so it's ready for your touch. This 1931 built home at 1,351 square feet has many new features, but holds tons of classic characteristics as well. This home does come with a 14-month home warranty with Blue Ribbon home warranty and is transferable to the buyer at closing. If you would like more information about this home, you can give me a call at 719-744-4955 or visit us on the web at makespringshome.com. Thank you for watching.